Hello everyone. Today let us solve this problem. This is from the chapter Applications of Trigonometry and exercise 9.1. Okay. Very simple and easy problem and very interesting problem. Okay. So let us understand what they have given. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30-meter building. Okay. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. Okay. Now, let us understand the problem. What they have given? 1 meter tall boy. Okay. One person of height 1.5 meter tall height standing on the ground. This is the ground. Okay. Now, he is standing at some distance from 30-meter building. He is standing from at the distance from 30-meter building is also there. One building is there and the height of the building is 30 meter. Okay. Now, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. At the first point, at this point, the angle of elevation. What is angle of elevation? Looking at the top of something, anything, tower, building, mountain, anything, top like this. It is called angle of elevation. So he is looking from here to this building, top of the building. Okay. At this point, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Now, this is the ground and let us draw the horizontal line here. And this angle is 30 degrees. Okay. So, the person, his head will be here, because eyes are here. So, he is looking like this. So, we have to take the angle from here only, not from here. Because the person height is 1.5 meter and he is looking means his head will be on the top. So, from here only we have to take, not from the bottom. This is the important logic. Okay. Should not miss this one. So, this is 1.5 meter. This height of the boy is 1.5 meter. And this total height is 30 meters. This total height is 30 meters. Okay. This height of the building they have given as 30 meters. Okay. Now, what they are saying? The angle of elevation from his eyes to the building increases from 30 to 60 as he walks towards the building. He is walking towards the building. So, this person is walking towards the building and the angle of elevation is increased to 60. So, if assume the person has reached here. Okay. So, the angle of elevation, again looking top of the building from here, the angle of elevation will be 60 degrees. Okay. So, understand now? Simple thing. He has mentioned his eyes here. That is important logic. Eyes will be on the top of the total top of the body. So, at top only we have to take. So, this top point is moving from here to here and by reaching this here, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay. So, 30, this 60. Understand? This is a diagram. Okay. Any further doubts in that diagram? Please let me know in comment section. This is very important to get the diagram. Okay. Now, find the distance he walked towards the building. We have to find the distance walked, means this one. Let it be D. Okay. So, we have to find this distance. This person is walked from here to here. So, we have to get the distance. Okay. Now, let this may be A and let it be B. Okay. So if this is A, this is A, so this also A, and this is B, and this one also B, because same length, no difference is there. Now let us consider this one as triangle A, B, C. Okay, and this one as triangle A, D, C. Observe very carefully. There are two triangles are there. One is A, B, C, another is A, D, C. Okay. Now we have to find this length. So first of all, we have to find some logics. The height of the boy is 1.5 meter they have given. So transferring this height to here, this also 1.5 meters. Simple thing. This is height is 1.5 means this also 1.5 meter. And the total height is 30 meter. So from the diagram we can see the total height is 30 meter. So what is AC? AC is equal to, this is AC. AC is equal to, total is 30 meter. So 30 minus this one, we will get this length. This is 1.5 meter. 1.5, it is 28.5 meters. So this one is 28.5. Okay. Now you got the dimensions. Simple thing. 1.5. I have transferred this 1.5 here. This also same. Both are same lengths. So 1.5. From this total 30 is there. 30 minus 1.5 is 28.5. Simple logic. Simple thing. Nothing more is there. Okay. Now we have to find this distance. To find this distance, we have to find the total distance and this distance, because this one is BC minus DC. Here from the figure we have to find D, small d. So BD is equal to, the total is BC minus CD. Then only we get the value of BD, that is distance travelled by that boy. Now we have to find first of all BC, that is A, and CD, that is B. What is the logic? Consider triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. This is a right angle triangle. Obviously right angle triangle. Okay. For this one we have the side, this one, and this is the angle. So for this angle, this side is opposite side. Okay. And we have to find this length, which is adjacent side. Clear na? For this angle, this is opposite side, and we have to find the adjacent side, BC, adjacent side we have to find. So opposite and adjacent and one angle. What is the relationship? Tan theta. Tan B is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Now tan B is 30 degrees. Opposite side is 28.5. Tan B is 30 degrees, tan 30 is equal to 28.5 divided by adjacent side is BC. Okay. So Now BC tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by BC. So by solving this one we get BC is equal to 28.5 into root 3 meters. So got that value of BC. Okay. Now we have to find the value of CD, because from this we have CD also, we have to get it. So we got BC, then CD. Simple thing, same. We have adjacent side, opposite side. We require the adjacent side because angle is here. So for this one, adjacent side is CD. We require this length. We have opposite side. So again this formula only. Tan D is equal to, opposite is CA, means AC, divided by CD. Tan D is equal to 60. Tan 60, D is equal to 60. So tan 60. AC is 28.5 divided by CD. Okay. So what is tan 60? Root 3 is equal to 28.5 divided by CD. So from this one, CD is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. Okay, understand now? Root 3 meters is one. So we have to find the distance traveled. This distance we have to find. Distance traveled by boy towards building. So this distance equal to, we have got CD also, this one. It's the logic. BD is equal to, so BD is the distance traveled by the boy is equal to BC. This one we want. So BC is 28.5 root 3 right here. BC minus CD, that is equal to this 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. Okay. Observe this one. 28.5 and 28.5 are there. So common. Both are same, no? So 28.5 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. What do you get now? Simplify in the bracket. That is called 28.5 into root 3 into 3, 3. 3 minus 1 by root 3. Which is equal to 28.5 into 2 by root 3. Okay, what do you get now? 57 by root 3 meters. Hence, the boy walked around 57 by root 3 meters towards the building. That is the answer. I think you all understood this one. Very simple thing, very interesting thing. Only thing is we have to find how we have to draw the diagram of this for this question. Okay. Only thing is we have to find the ratios which should be used in this one. Okay. I think you all understood this one. If any further doubts are there or anything you didn't understand anywhere, at any point, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.